What's up, guys?
Oh my God!
Hey,
We're flying!
so listen, sometimes in life, a lot of the times in life, actually, fear runs a lot of your decisions. If you can notice right now, where are we, baby?
We're flying with the birds. We're in Jamaica, in Negril, Jamaica. Bird's eye view.
Here, let me give you a little view from what we're looking at. But we're up here at above tree level, I guess you could say, looking at this crystal clear water underneath us.
Oh my God.
And life is absolutely amazing, guys. So
Taste it, live it, feel it, and freaking do it, man.
there you go. This is where we're at. We're actually ending our Ignite Your Passion all-inclusive retreat to Jamaica here at Negril Treehouse. And if you guys would like, you can parasail and fly with the birds as well, guys. So me and Michelle just wanted to send you some love. We keep going higher,
Oh my
and
God.
higher, and higher, and higher, and higher, and higher, and higher.
Charlie's in the boat right now. Oh my God.
Charlie's in the boat with Uncle Kyle right now.
We're so far from the boat. Oh my God.
I believe Nick.
Holy shit. Turn it around so they can see what we see. My butterflies. Oh my God, but hey, these butterflies, you know, you can turn these butterflies into fear and it can stop you from everything, or you can turn these butterflies into passion and let it just be that fuel that pushes you forward
Tell 'em,
to
baby.
everything you want.
Tell them, baby.
Ah!
Look at this view behind us, guys. This is what you call truly living life. All right, when you can get to the point where you can
Oh my
set your soul on fire and you can live inside your passion and you can live life truly like this and just take it all in, you know, and really understand that life is absolutely exactly what you make it, guys. So we're gonna close this video out so we can just chill
Take some of this in.
and enjoy our scenery. So we wanted to let you guys get a little glimpse of this, and we look forward to seeing you at our all-inclusive retreat coming up here soon. All right, details coming soon, guys. We love you. One love. Holla.